Welcome. If you've been wondering how to see who commented on your photo using the Instagram app on your PC, you're in the right place. Instagram recently updated its desktop app, making it easier than ever to interact with your posts without needing your phone. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to check all the comments on any of your photos right from your computer. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the Microsoft Store or the official Instagram website. Once the app is open, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page where all your posts are displayed. Next, scroll through your photos and find the one you want to check comments on. It could be a recent post or something from a while back. When you spot the photo, click on it. This action will open the photo in a larger view, showing all the details and interactions related to that post. Now comes the exciting part. Right below your photo, you'll see the comments section. Here, all the comments from your followers and other Instagram users will be listed. You can scroll through to read each comment and see exactly who took the time to engage with your content. This feature is perfect for staying connected and responding to your audience directly from your PC. That's it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily monitor and respond to comments on your photos without switching devices. The new Instagram app update really streamlines the experience, making it convenient to manage your Instagram presence from your desktop. So, remember, open the Instagram app, click your profile photo at the bottom left, find and select your photo, then scroll through all the comments. It's that simple. Now you can stay on top of your Instagram interactions no matter where you are. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming.